Ha? May lakad ka, anak. Where are you going?
Hi, my name's Ken, and I'm 22, and I'm a
Huh?
former student DJ and a former real estate agent. I like finding new places to eat, and of course, memorizing our supply songs. What are you thinking of? The song that makes me happy whenever I hear it is Lady Gaga's Bad Mood.
Wala.
Okay, wait, nahilo ko. Hi, my name's Ken.
Kumusta naman?
Like the last
Kaya mo nang tumayo? Ay.
Sana walang pasok bukas, please. Sana walang pasok bukas. Importante na may mga pasok tayo sa kailangan bukas kasi hindi naman yun talaga. Bakit ako bukas?
Oh, ano nangyari?
Hindi naman yun.
Anong nangyari kay Paula? Napagod si Daddy. Ibinaba si Paula. Ah? Say hello, anak. Say hello.